LG is the first company with a full-size 7.8 cubic foot heat pump dryer. But should you buy it? In this video, you'll learn the features and benefits of a heat pump dryer, plus the 2 problems you must know before buying one. You'll see a comparison between these new dryers, vented models, and the all-in-one washer and heat pump dryers from GE Profile, Samsung, and LG. In the end, you should be able to determine if this or another dryer will be right for you. Heat pumps use a compressor or heat the air through an air exchanger with an evaporator, removing the moisture. It recycles existing air so it doesn't continuously pull air from your room while using less efficient heating elements like a vented dryer and then exhausting it to the outside. You are recycling air with more efficient components, so your potential energy savings will be considerable, from $150 to $200 per year if you use the dryer once daily. The price on this dryer is $1,295 on sale, so it's $200 more than a comparably featured vented dryer, so you will get a payback in less than 2 years. Heat pumps are ventless and can be placed anywhere with 240 volt power. You must remember to tie the drain to your washer. You also don't have the possible lint issue with this dryer like you would in combo washers and dryers. The washer eliminates most of the lint through the drain, while the dryer has the normal filters in the front like other dryers. Heat pumps operate at lower temperatures, so your clothes are less likely to shrink. We'll get into that later in the problem section of the video. This is a fully featured dryer with 23 cycles, 11 options, and 7 temperatures. And as we mentioned, it's the largest heat pump dryer at 7.8 cubic feet, a full 2.5 cubic feet larger than the next largest Samsung combo. Heat pumps are currently reliable in the smaller Bosch and Miele compact units. However, this LG is new with the larger capacity of 7.8 cubic feet, and with new products comes some possible service issues, which quite frankly our industry is not prepared to handle. Because for this dryer, you need a specialized technician. You shouldn't have a lint issue, but if you don't clean the lint after every load, it will clog the exchanger, leading to an expensive future service call. The other problem is time. Heat pumps take longer to dry than a vented dryer would. Let's look at a vented dryer versus this dryer. We washed and dried 4 loads of laundry in both the LG heat pump laundry pair and the GE 650 series laundry pair. For this results section, we'll only be comparing the dryer time, so it's easier to see the differences between heat pump and vented. The first load was colors, which consisted of 6 men's XL t-shirts and 4 beach towels. It took the LG heat pump dryer 1 hour and 15 minutes to dry, and the GE vented dryer 28 minutes. Next was whites, consisting of 8 men's large dress shirts, 4 towels, and 8 men's large t-shirts. It took the LG 1 hour and 38 minutes to dry, and the GE 40 minutes. Then we washed and dried a set of king-size sheets and a king-size fluffy blanket. The LG took 2 hours and 36 minutes to dry this load, and the GE took 42 minutes. Lastly, we did a king-size comforter. The LG heat pump took 2 hours and 40 minutes to dry this, and then it only took the GE 2 hours and 18 minutes. You may also be wondering how the separate LG washer and heat pump dryer compare to the LG Wash Combo or even the GE Profile Ultrafast or Samsung Laundry Combo. We have a whole video comparing all 3 of these machines and their test results from the exact sets of laundry if you want to go watch. In summary, the separate LG washer and heat pump dryer are faster, but these combo units are convenient because you don't have to transfer your laundry. However, the LG washer and heat pump dryer have a much larger capacity without the possible lint filtering issue that some all-in-one units will present. You can also reload the washer after the cycle, which will speed your laundry process along if you have multiple loads to do, which you can't do in a combo. So, the new LG heat pump dryer will allow you to wash and dry more clothes at a more reasonable time than the combo units. However, it will take longer than your current vented dryer. Intrigued by the washer-dryer combo? We compared the Samsung, GE, and LG in this video. Click here to watch.